Hi, today I'd like to show you how you can earn $80 per day from NFT for free in 100% lazy trusted way. Yeah, this is the video that I want to show. This video is going to be interesting as you can create NFT. I'm going to show you how you can create NFT and you can upload it to marketplace so you can get sales and get money for this. So simply just follow this video. So the site that I'm able to show you in this video, this is which is called the NFT marketplace, and it is the number one site in the NFT marketplace. So I'm going to show you the site. The site name is OpenSea.io. Yes, you may heard it or not. This is the great NFT platform, and it's a trusted and legit marketplace to work with your NFT. So if you just go over to OpenSea.io, I'm going to show you some quick examples and quick way to how you can just simply register there and start working with them. So simply you just go over to OpenSea.io and you can simply scroll down. You can see other people's NFTs and you can see how they are making money selling their NFT in here, and they have a huge amount of customers right now. And there is a every time there you upload your more NFT you upload, there is a more chance that you get a sale. So simply go over to OpenSea and you can simply register there. If you just click on create and you will be go into this page, you need to have a crypto wallet to be connected to get registered on OpenSea. So if you just simply click on create, it will show something like this. This is asking for your wallet to connect to this OpenSea. So the popular choice of this type of work is MetaMask. So if you heard it out, you can connect any wallet you want. You can connect Coinbase, you can connect Wallet Connect, Fortmatic, and all you can see more options they have. But simply, in my opinion, I recommend this is MetaMask. This is a secure and popular way. So simply click on MetaMask. It will ask you to download the MetaMask extension. So I already have it downloaded there. So this is the extensions, and if I just click on it and give it the password, you can unlock, and you simply you put your email passwords, and it will be easy to register there, and it will show you some passphrase to you that it will require to access your accounts from any device. So this is very important. Do not share your passphrase to anyone. You just simply copy it or screenshot it and keep it in a safe place on your computer. So whether you do it or not, when you register, when you complete your MetaMask registrations and then refresh this page and click on MetaMask, it will automatically connect to that and ask you, MetaMask will open and ask you to sign in and to confirm that you will connect OpenSea account to your MetaMask wallet. So simply hit on sign and it will be connected, and you will see something like this page will show up when you connect your MetaMask to your OpenSea account. So it will ask you to upload your NFT to be sold on OpenSea marketplace. So how you can sell your NFT? So you have to create it first, right? But before that, I'm going to show you how people are making, and you can see that these are the accounts on OpenSea that are selling huge amount of NFTs every day. And you can see this is the popular NFT you can see all over the internet. This is a really good and popular NFT. You can see people are making this art and selling this, and you can see there are more examples out there, and you can see these people are just simple making pixel images and selling it on. And but this is really easy to make, but simply you have to be a little creative and you can earn a decent amount of money with this. But you cannot I'm not expecting to be a super professional artist like this. These are super professional works and they are making huge amount of money. You can see that 7.9 ethereum this guy is selling is each NFT, and this is a really huge amount of money they are making. But we want to make simple images, and you can upload it for like $5, $10, and you can make money with that. If you just cost it like $5, and you can simply earn money. And more NFT you create, more opportunity you will open to make money online. So how you can make NFT? I always recommend to work with unique and your own copyrighted materials. So if you do not know what is NFT in the first place, what is NFT? NFT is an art which is owned by its owner. Nobody else can copy it, nobody else has the source copy of it. So simply in NFT it's a non-fungible token, so you cannot copy it. You simply you cannot get it on anywhere. It's only copyrighted to its owner. It's the one piece in this world. You cannot have any other piece of it. So you have to pay it to buy the copy from the owner. You cannot purchase it on anywhere else. This is what is NFT is all about. It's an unique art, so you have to be unique, you have to be creative to make NFT. And so how you can get NFT? You go somewhere in vacations, right? You go to a beach, you go to a resort, you go to some beautiful places out there, you go over there, you just simply take some pictures. Obviously we all take pictures out there, so why not use those pictures and make it like an NFT? So you own the rights of it. So for that I recommend any you can just simply get your images to your PC from your smartphones or cameras, and then I choose a free image editing software, and I choose lunapic.com, which is a free image editing software. You can get any, you can pick anyone. You just search on Google and you can get many photo editor online. So this is easy, this is free. So I choose lunapic.com and go over there and upload my photos. So this is the photo. I go over to some vacations and took these photos by my camera, and I just upload it here. And if you just simply go over to in the art sections, there is a filter, effect and art. You can see, click on art. I can see, and if I, for example, I choose fantasy. So if I just choose fantasy, it will show me some examples of their effects. And if I just choose, there are some effects. If I choose just simply floating, I choose the floating one, so it will edit the image and show me the edited image. You can see that the image is converted and getting a very good artistic effect. And this is an unique way, unique things. It's your image, nobody has this image, and you just simply convert it in an artistic way, and this turns out to be an NFT. You can sell this image to NFT. So simply click on save, and it will be saved to your computer and as it is. So simply when you save this image, you go over to OpenSea and upload that image here and place it a name like you like the place you visited, the beach name or anything like that, and some other related terms that people's going to find it easy. And then you simply put that some descriptions about the NFT, about the place, about the image, and then simply if you want to just make some collections, you can do that as well, but it's not required here. And when in the pricing sections. You choose the blockchain, but for if you choose Ethereum to be priced, it will ask for some gas fees to listed on OpenSea. So I choose Polygon is the free way to list any NFT on OpenSea. It will not require any fees, any gas fees. It's completely free to upload NFTs using polygons. So people's going to pay you by polygons, and then later you can withdraw that any exchange in on exchange sites. But simply to free upload NFTs free to OpenSea, you have to choose polygons instead of Ethereum. Then simply this is the case, and just simply click on create, and within seconds your NFT is going to be listed and ready to sell like this, and you can earn a decent amount of money when people go through your link. And today or tomorrow, this is a huge site, it will get lots of traffic, so people's going to get you to your image. Nobody and sooner or later you will get a sale. So simply the more NFT you have, lots of images, you take images by yourself, you take your cat's image, you take your any image you take, it's your ownership, it's your copyright material, so nobody can have that source file. So simply turn it into an artistic work and you will upload that to NFT. It's your content, your NFT, and you can sell it like crazy. So simply the more image you upload, there's a more opportunity. $80 per day is just a saying I choose this, but you can, opportunity is limitless. You can earn even hundreds, even thousands of dollars with these methods. Also, if you can also multiply this process by, if you just go over to, I'm going to show the second website, which is Rarible, which is rarible.com, also a NFT marketplace, which is great marketplace. You can go over to upload your NFTs there as well. Also you can choose nftgateway.com, which is also a big NFT marketplace. You can choose these sites and upload your NFT as well. It's the is a Nifty Gateway, Nifty NIFTY, niftygateway.com and rarible.com to multiply your OpenSea's earnings so far. So simply this is the process. If you're not an artistic person, you do not know about how graphics design works, you simply collect you take pictures and turn it into artistic work using any online editor and upload it to OpenSea. This is the method, this is the way. More NFT you will upload, more opportunity you will get. So if you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. And new video is going to be uploaded daily. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.